And a little bit closer at the CellMaster non-OEM Dewalt batteries. These are 6 amp hour batteries. They come in a pack of 2. They make a bunch of different models. So they make ones for Milwaukee and a couple different other brands, but they fit on and they charge just like a Dewalt OEM battery. Just like that, they work fine. I've been testing them. You can see it has an indicator right here. I have been charging these things up. They seem to last completely fine. They seem to work in every single one of my Dewalt OEM devices. Okay, I've even tried them in non-Dewalt OEM devices. I don't have an option right here. Oh no, actually I do. So I have this is a non-Dewalt OEM device. This actually uses OEM batteries to charge or to run a non-OEM tool, okay? So I'll show you here. Fits on fine, no issue, okay? It's got the indicator here. I'll turn this thing on and it works fine, okay? Comes out fine, no issue there. Seems to be pretty close to OEM. I don't see any issues with it. It's got a little handle here. The color, I have all these Dewalt tools. I don't think there's anything else I want to try. Okay, this is a nipper. Actually, this is like a cutter. This is a non-OEM tool, another one. Let's see, this should fit in fine. I'm not yeah, no issue. So this thing has, and that's one thing with Dewalt, just not this battery, but just the OEM Dewalt design with this just is just a bad design. They should have the buttons on the side or just a better design. But that's not an issue with this battery. It's just the form factor of the OEM Dewalt batteries. Just something haven't been a fan with, but I love DeWalt, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it forever. But yeah, they work fine, interchangeable, haven't had any issues. I ran in another video and it's either an 8 or 10 inch lag using this and it went in completely fine. So if you wanna pick these up, I will put a link down below. I have a coupon, it's Raw Family or Family Raw. I'll put a link to these and I'll put a discount code down in the description below and I'll try to pin it in the first comment. You get it's $10 off. All right, so these are the CellMaster. These are the 20 volt, 6 amp batteries. Pretty cool.